Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm so excited to show you a pump track. A pump track is where you can generate speed continuously, make a loop with your surf skate. Can't wait to show you. Hit the intro. New to the channel, I'm Daniel, co-founder of the Surf Companions. I provide you with surf knowledge on this channel and also about the surf skating. We developed an online surf skate course where you can learn the basics, but today I'm going to talk about the pump track. The thing about the pump track is you can continuously make speed in such an area. So it's really cool to check out, but really important is those are the basic tips for you before you enter the pump track. Is tip number 1, safety first. Always wear helmet and protectors. Tip number 2, if you have the first feeling of going down, please compress your body, because when we have a compressed position, we are more stable and we are less likely to fall. But because you have safety number 1, your protectors always with you and on you, you wear it all the time, you don't have to worry at all. So the tip number 2 is stay compressed. Now about the technique itself. I'm going to show you some footage and explain you with the footage what's happening. To have the most control in pumping, in using this energy of going down and up, you should, when you go downhill, compress your body. So once you go downhill, you compress. We call it in surfing also the chest or front knee position. This is stance number 1 in the 4 key positions in surf skating, more in the online course. And when you go uphill again, so when you use this force to go down, when you want to go uphill again, you actively do a small lift. So you're decompressing in your knees and lifting your arms shoulder high. And that helps you to gain that lift with the speed you did beforehand with going down. So once again, when you're going down, so downhill, you should compress chest over front knee. Stay the weight in the front knees, chest over front knee. If you go up, use this speed and this momentum with small decompression. Try it by yourself. Don't worry, you don't have to do a whole round at the beginning when you're just starting. No, I suggest just do a first 2 hills and then stop. So it gives you the confidence and feeling to also stop immediately in between, and that's really important. I hope that small video helped you or made you stoked about to find a pump track. They usually Google them. They're popping out everywhere in the world because it's such a hyped sport, also surf skating, because it helps you to improve your surfing. I'm super excited about your first experience or maybe your second or third experience in a pump track. Leave a comment below if you want to see more of those videos, explanatory videos. Then I would love to see a thumbs up, a comment, and of course if you subscribe to the channel. I'm creating this content full time. Can't wait to see you in the next video. I'm Daniel from the Surf Companions.